Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if microphone is not working on your iPhone after iOS 17 update. So as if you're facing this problem and you are unable to use microphone on your device, here we show you how can you fix it. So first of all, open settings in your device and search here for microphone. Here it is, and after this you have to turn on all these toggles for all the apps on your device. So I turn all these toggles on for your microphone for all the apps, and after this check if the microphone is working or not, and if the problem is still there you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down button, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I simply force restart the device and check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem then you have to simply clean the microphone of your device as well. So I simply clean it, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem then you have to contact any service shop for the replacement of your iPhone's microphone. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.